We don't start videos over two halves.
I've never seen that one before.
And drop your shoulder. There you go. Pull it back down. Go ahead and lay on your side facing me. And here, here, here. Let that shoulder go back. Well, you're tired, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's been a while. Set that other side up. Everything's moving. It's tight. There you go. Here, here, here. That hurt at all? Just tight. Let that body roll. There we go. Nice.
I did hear that one go.
Go ahead and come on. Try moving that neck around, see how it feels. I don't expect it to be 100% fixed, but it should feel better.
Yeah.
We'll get you back in here, I'd say maybe tomorrow. We're going on a 4-day holiday, so let's try and get you into the holiday feeling better, so at least you're not just like stiff and aching,
Yeah.
miserable sleeping, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
You bet.